know that having a Tulsi plant in your garden has many benefits. First up, it purifies the air and gives us good oxygen. And then, it also has many medicinal benefits. And these are some Tulsi plants in my garden. And also, if you don't have a garden, you can grow them in your balcony. Today, I am going to show you how to propagate Tulsi plants. Take a little bit of regular soil and a little bit of cocoa peat and a little bit of coconut scraps. Next, take a small amount of each and place it on a small piece of cloth like this. Now, this is a Tulsi plant. It's a normal Tulsi plant. And then we will use a knife to scrape off a small part of the stem. Next, we will take the small piece of cloth from earlier and then tie it across the small scrape we made on the stem. Tie it like this. And then in summer seasons, water the plant about 3 times a day, and in the winter seasons, water the plant, winter and monsoon seasons, water the plant 2 times a day. And 1 month later, the plant should be looking like this. Take a look. Then cut the stem right below the cloth and then open the small piece of cloth we had tied on the stem of the plant. And it should be looking like this. It must have small roots coming out of it. And then take that and place it in another pot with a little bit of soil, and then add a little more soil on top of it, just like this. Two months later, the plant will be looking like this. So, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you. See you in the next video.